Hello, thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So, following on from the video I did on the baler, the Mchale baler, round baler, how to use the clock and about it and how to set different things in. So, this is a Mchale wrapper. It's a 991 BC, which means it's cable control, most basic one you can get basically. So levers, 4 levers in the cab in the tractor and like a spool valve lever, but it's cable control. So this is a Mchale, it's a 991 BC wrapper cable control. Levers here. Here's a clock on it. I'm going to show how you use it then. So how to set your bale so it stops. So here's the clock now. So this is how you change that to when it beeps and stops in itself. So you cal and set. Say for I'll go back to 17. Go up 5, 6, 7, and then so you hold the set down to change it up and the cal down to get like that. Okay. Once you let go of this, it jumps from one to the other end. So it's a bit fiddly, but get around it. Okay, so what's the total? So you press a little button here to actually see what the total is. So it's 108 down as A. So I'll get back to it. Okay, hold set down until it goes back to 0. So click in, so it's 0. So that's per total the year, I think. We haven't changed it. So probably reset to change that as well. I leave that there. Set. Grand total, you can't reset that. I'll try now. Don't know if it happens. And then that's how Bales is doing an hour. Just does that itself. And it probably changes as you change that. And then last one is how many times you go around. So you can go to this now, and about 30 is the maximum. So you can look at this now. As you're going, you can look at that now, and you just the revs until that's 30 when you're going flat out, just really. So that's all really. Not sure what this little button does there, but this one, I think that one does that. Then oh yeah, to change what total is seeing, you press cal, C, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, you know, D, what was that, 77. So press set down, reset, until it goes back to 0, 0. So you got D now, D now is 0. Okay. Thank you for watching, and goodbye from me for now then.